Yo, hey, yo, what's up on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Marty Blendz guard, and we're gonna talk about it, and I'm gonna make a comparison with these TPOB guards. So, see that? Stay tuned. So, this is how it comes, and I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy this guard if you want it. And I was speaking with the manufacturer of this guard, and they told me, they can send it to me, and if I want, they can print my name on it also. And there are two versions of this of the half guards, two versions. So, and I received the two also, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. And but first of all, my own pen. Wait a moment. This is the new Marty Blendz Premium Guard. So it's from here. Alright. So now let's open it. Comes like this. Like this. And they even include really good, I mean really solid one. A comb, really good one. You see, it's a really good one, solid, really good. The guards looks like this. It's a transparent one. So, and the half guard, you need to decide which of these half guards you want to have on this set. So see here and here, they're a little bit different. So I choose this one, which is the normal one, and they still added this one. Since I got this guard comes from the manufacturer, I name it Marty Blendz guard. And the other guy, Marty Blendz, I guess that's not the original one, because this one came out first. This is the exact same like the Marty Blendz guard. Exact. If you see any difference, just prove me wrong, you know. This is the last one. So this is the one of the TPOB. Very solid. And this one, a junk. If you have the guards of Marty Blendz and you think mine is different from yours, just prove me wrong. The material is much more better than this one. And even the one of VGR is much more better than the one of Marty Blendz. Another test. This is VGR hair clipper. See that? And this is the guard. Leave it open. And leave it closed. Very good. Okay. Marty Blendz. It's good. Leave it open. Leave it closed. TPOB. Okay. You hear that? TPOB. And now, TPOB, this is how much a zero gap also. As you can see, Marty Blendz. Leave it open. VGR. TPOB. Once again. This is junk. Now we're gonna make another test and see how strong this thing really is. We're gonna need this one under. So this is the last test. So let's see.